Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So guys, this is the Ikot-Ekpene road in Abia state that leads you to Akwa Ibom. If you're driving from Umuahia, Ibauzo Mudike, Ikwano. So this part of Abia state is called Ikwano. From this side you get to Ariam and then you see yourself in Akwa Ibom state. The Executive Governor of Abia State, His Excellency Governor Alex Oti, officially flagged off the reconstruction of this road you are seeing on your screen. The road was, neglected for a very long time. The Umuahia Ikot-Ekpene road was flagged off on October 2025. The official ceremony took place at the timber market, Ikot-Ekpene in Umuahia. These are according to online sources. So let's talk about the key project details. The project scope. The intervention targets a 25-kilometer section of the highway. As you can see, this is a highway. It's a road, a federal road connecting Abia State to Akwa Ibom. It's a trunk A federal highway that connects Abia and Akwa Ibom states, like I said previously. The Executive Governor of Abia State stepped in after securing federal approval to end decades of commuter hardship. So if you sabi this road well, you know how terrible this road used to be. Like it's one of the most terrible roads we have in Abia State, and it made traveling to Akwa Ibom a very big problem for commuters. Because most times when you are driving through this road, you see cars that got spoiled due to the dangerous potholes on this road, and erosion because the road was just totally abandoned. But now with the intervention of the state government, so if you're going to Akwa Ibom or you're coming from Akwa Ibom to Abia State, by the time this road has been completed, you'll be enjoying your journey, and then the distance won't be that long anymore. Because trust me, you spend more time on this road because of how bad this road is. The moment this road has been reconstructed, you would now know that traveling to Akwa Ibom from Umuahia is very, very, very near. If I take a name, the very, very close, The project has an 18-month completion target. The construction company or the contractor in charge of this road project, they are known as Geld Construction Company Limited. This Geld Construction Company Limited, that popular bridge, then Minagaro Chuku, Omenoko Bridge, or the on that side, because when you pass through the Omenoko Bridge, you will see their logo there. The new road will feature a 7.3 meter wide carriageway with 2 meter shoulders, standard drainage and solar power street lights. Our governor they make really sure no street lights, because those are on any daytime kana buy street light time and then abaka ka focus away na abakwa agakwa ebe ha na aga. So if you look on this road, you got heavy duty machines around. You're gonna see a lot of work going on. You understand? This is just the beginning. The Executive Governor of Abia State got vote again next year, highlighting that his administration operates on a no dichotomy principle regarding federal and state roads because the primary users are Abia citizens. He publicly thanked President His Excellency President Bola Ahmed Tinubu and the Minister of Works, David Umuahia, for granting the state government the required technical approvals to take over the project, because this road is a federal road. On the same day, the Executive Governor also flagged off the 13.1 kilometer area Mosaka Ring Road, which I'm still going to make a video on, which is a road in Ikwano to further open up rural agricultural zones. So if you want to see how far they have come with the construction of this road, just continue watching the video and you will see so many developments that is already happening ahead niru. So ka ijebe niru ka mzunu ka mgosipu unu even aga on ile anya ifuna emewogo drainage the gutter, ifuna emewogo the road. Before you know it now, arụchakwa ya ka esi wee rụcha the Onimo stroke Abia Tower Road nke emere nke agụrụ Reverend Umuahia way. So guys, tell me what you think about the road. Tell me what you think about the progress. If you know this road, if you know how bad this road used to be before, yeah, now the governor of Abia State there to the rescue of Umuahia in now this road in Akwa Ibom AC when Akwa Ibom State.